Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And I'm Uni, the unicorn. Boy, the Democratic debate on Tuesday really, you know what? I can't say it. YouTube banned that word. No kidding. And B2 needs to go to a mental hospital. Okay. While I was watching it, was practicing my knitting. I do knit, folks. Sorry it came out so short. I would have made it longer. But I think it's very attractive. Uncle Alan's many talents, and I do knit. I just got to remember somebody was asking me for this. I think it was either Cheryl or Atlanta. Somebody didn't have a scarf in one of the comments, and they wrote back to me. So I knit them one. Okay, today is... Nobody's going to believe you, Uncle Al. Everybody thinks you're nuts. Yes, because Uncle Alan is nuts, okay? So I don't have to be worried getting whacked. All right, I showed you this last time in my notes. Let me pull that out. All right. This is our world right here. This is a Halloween story time for Liberty Garden. This is our world. Yay, our world. And then we have the mirror world, aka the Mandela effect. People, I don't understand, Uncle Alan. Then we have the reset zone, which it's too complicated to explain. And we have the zone where the bad guys are from. That's Democrats, Nazis, they live kind of people. Okay, this is the simplest way I can explain this. And then we have Monster Time. You guys do not want to know about Monster Time. That's why I didn't box it in. And then we have Chaos and Time Slip. You think the weather's bad here. This is I have to box because what you're experiencing come from this zone. Then we have another Monster Time, and then we have Hell and Satan. All right, yes, folks, there is a hell and there is a Satan. Okay, now back to our world. Our world is right now, I think, October 17th, 2019. Now, what does this all mean? What do you think I've been yelling about December 27th, which our friend Liberty Garden has been asking a lot. I can't tell him a lot because he won't believe it and just look and shrug it. Duh. Okay, I'm giving you that information. It's right here. I did a previous video on this. But a lot of people don't understand. There's a lot of factors going on right now, and a lot of people still don't understand. It is not one event. It is not one SHTF. Now, I forgot, who was it? This is what happens when you get old and you've been no sleep for the last 3 days. Okay, asymmetrical preparedness did a little exercise on what 3 SHTFs, from what you prepare. I prepare for natural disasters and certain other things. And then what was the most wacko and what do you most fear? Okay, those 3 things. And Dad on YouTube, Will Patriot, myself, Palmetto prepared. I forgot somebody else. We all did this. It's a great, you should jump aboard and explain what you prepare for. Okay, and what you fear and what's wacko. Now, what's wacko is alien invasions. Now, I've seen lots of alien movies. Okay, aliens are a lot smarter than us, folks, and they're not going to be little green guys with ray guns jumping out of flying saucers and yelling, "Take me to your leader." And if they saw Trump, they said, "Forget it, we're going back home." Okay? Now, this is our world. And then we have the Mandela effect, the mirror world. Now, a lot of people are asking, what's the Mandela effect? There's some things that are too close that intertwine with our world. This is why I told AK Fab to watch Fringe. I hope she gets it. Because trying to explain this to people and the reset zone, is really hard. The Uncle Alan's tired. And I had something else around here to explain this, but you know, and then we have the reset zone and the bad guys. Now, a lot of people think Uncle Alan's nuts. Yeah, it might be nuts. But think about it, folks. We're not talking about 1 or 4 or 5 SHTFs. Now, in Japan right now, they just got hit with a typhoon, which is similar to our hurricane. It just goes the other direction, but very strong storm. Now they're getting mudslides. After earthquake, typhoon, mudslides, infrastructure damage, flooding. Now, heavy rains and flooding and mudslides. And people are like, okay, we can handle the typhoon, we can handle the earthquake, but heavy rains, flooding, and mudslides, they're at their point. Because Japan always prepare one thing or the other. If it's a storm, if it's earthquake, not a problem. Like last time they had an earthquake, they had a tidal wave, they had a nuclear disaster. You know, it adds up. Now on December 27th, a lot of people don't understand is we got 2 asteroids that NASA missed, and also the European Space Agency missed this giant comet. If you ever go to Tyler's channel, let's talk about prepping. I'm not holding up cards because I don't know where I put them. Anyway, he's doing Lucifer's Hammer. Now there's a big, big comet is roaring by. Doesn't matter if it squeezes through the moon or Earth. If it does, that's it. Not because we're getting hit by the comet, because the suction from the gravitational force will drag the moon into the Earth. And we're not going to be feeling too good afterwards. So I got to keep this short. Yeah, Uncle Alan, I think Liberty Garden is still really confused. I'm confused. And I'm a figment of imagination. Lord. Okay, this end of the Halloween story, kids. Just be ready for September 27th. Okay? And this is for Liberty Garden. I always tell them, be prepared. And if you're thinking of, I'll head to Mexico and escape. Mexico has their own plans. They don't want waves of Americans rushing into Mexico. They're going to landmine the border. So think about it. You're at a crossing. Oh, no gringos. And they'll send you back. Or no Americans. And that you go back, reversed migration. But, you know, they're going to close their borders tighter than hell, if I'm guessing this right. Because the Mexican Special Forces ordered a lot of landmines. Not to keep people in, but keep people out. Okay? They're serious down there. So I'll catch you later, folks. Bye, everybody. Weird Halloween story, Uncle Al. Okay? So I hope this helps out. And like I said, think about it. Okay? Nothing hurts to think about this. But we've seen a lot of weird things. Donald Trump as president. Everything's going to pot. The superstorms. Hubble's cats, climate change. Okay? So, I want you, what you do. Let's take a look at this. See what's going on. All right, very carefully. Because 2020 isn't going to be a pleasant year, folks. And if you're prepared, good. If you're not prepared, tough luck. Bye, kids. Bye, everybody.